Welcome to the 7-Day Stock Market Bootcamp, Day 6, Asset Allocation. The 7-Day Stock Market Bootcamp is designed to introduce you to stocks and build a foundation for investing in the stock market so you can become a savvy and confident investor. All of the content published in this training is to be used for education and information purposes only without warranty of any kind. The materials and information in this training are not and should not be construed as an offer to buy and sell any securities named in these materials. Trading of securities may not be suitable for all investors. Both trading stocks and investing in the stock market may have large potential risk involved in which you can lose all of your money. You, the participant, and not Cassandra Cummings or StocksandStilettos.co are responsible for any losses, financial or otherwise, as a result of trading or investing in securities. I'm not your financial advisor, but want to remind you that investments are not FDIC insured, not guaranteed by a bank, and you may lose your principal. Today we're going to be talking about two things. The first is diversification. Diversification is really the act of making or becoming more diversified, sort of mixing up your investments. We can't have all green apples or all red apples in our portfolio, so it's always a great idea to mix things up, and I'll tell you exactly why you want to have diversification in your portfolio in order to be a savvy and confident investor. It's going to protect you and your investments in the long run. When deciding how to diversify your portfolio, you may want to take into consideration that there are 11 sectors in the stock market: real estate, energy, utilities, technology, materials, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, industrials, healthcare, and financials, as well as telecommunications. With all of these sectors, you can basically decide which ones you want to invest in and which ones you want to steer clear of based on preferences, performance, and maybe future outlook for the particular sector. So what is asset allocation? Asset allocation is really an investment strategy where you are trying to basically balance risk with reward by basically mixing up your investments so that you can reach your financial goals, retirement goals, based on your risk tolerance, like how much you can stomach, and your investment horizon, how much time in front of you before you need access to the actual funds. All of these things are taken into consideration when putting together an asset allocation. Let's take a look at an example of an asset allocation based on a number of stocks. Here we see a chart with about 9 different sectors, and each sector has anywhere from 1 up to 7 different stocks in them. This is a well-diversified portfolio. When you're starting, you may want to start with as few as 3 sectors and build your way up. You do not want to overdo diversification because then it actually becomes counterproductive in terms of balancing risk with reward. One place that you can go to do additional research on sectors is at Fidelity.com. Click on the News and Research tab and then scroll down to the Markets and Sectors tab. This is a great resource to do additional research on all the sectors. This will help you determine whether or not you want to allocate any of your money to certain sectors or not. That's it for day 6. Your task is to take a look at the stocks on your watch list and to determine each stock sector. You can use the Yahoo Finance app to find the stock sector. It's actually right inside of the app. Then select up to 3 sectors in which you think you may want to start investing in. And keep that in mind as you start to build your portfolio. That's it for day 6. I'll see you tomorrow for the final day. Want to get all 7 days of the stock market bootcamp? Take a look at the stock starter kit. It has all 7 days plus more to help you get off to a smart start with investing in the stock market. Go to bit.ly/stock-starter-kit. Follow us on Facebook and join our free Facebook group at Stocks and Stilettos. Follow us on Instagram. We're at Stocks and Stilettos. See you there.